One of the big advantages of Practiman Manikins is that you can change the faces. Now, it may well you need to change them because they got dirty, but the real key advantage is you can change the faces between students. So it means that every single student has a brand new face on there, which makes it much easier for hygiene. And also because they've got their own face, it makes it a lot better for the students and they're happier. Because the Practiman Manikin has a one-way valve built in, exhaled air from the lungs doesn't come back onto the face. So each student on your course can have their own face. So what we've got here is the standard Manikin and the advanced and plus type faces. They are different. So if you're buying them, make sure you get the right one. With the half head standard Manikin, all you need to do is you've got 4 lugs, just undo that on each side, and then you can remove the face. And then once you've done that, pop that straight back on, the new one. And just make sure that the face itself is lined up properly. So just check that it's lined up with the mouth, with this little part in here, and then that's done. The advanced, very similar, but it's a different type of face. So with this one, you take it off, you've got the 2 lugs on there, whereas this one has 4. But you have this little lug at the top which fits in a hole in the top of the head. So again, line it up, just make sure it's in place, pop the clips back on the side, and then finally just make sure it's lined up at the top, just to make sure that the lug at the top is firmly in the hole.